Floki Inu ads under investigation in London. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog, Market Musings. Article was done by Connor Sefton. This is an article review. So we're going to be checking out is a ban coming? So last month, Floki Inu began an advertising blitz across London's transport network, which we updated some while back. So with posters about the main coin plastered in tube stations and on the rich cities economic iconic red buses. So, but now the UK advertising watchdog has confirmed that it is launching an investigation into these ads. Transport for London is under criticizing us. Uh, it also says here that the controversial ads feature the tagline "Miss Dodge, get Floki," and nod to the FOMO that some investors may have felt about Dogecoin surged in value earlier this year. So previously, a number of crypto ads have been landed in Autotap with the advertising agency ads, um, advertising a standards authority because the fees. So right here we have previously a number of crypto ads have landed in Autotap with the advertising standard authority because they failed to include a warning about dangers of buying digital assets. So guys, you should always utilize a disclaimer. So investments may go down as well as up in value. Cryptocurrencies are now regulated in UK, so those are some things you need to know. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here, available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So for a ban coming, it said Transport for London says its reviews of crypto advertising before it appears on trends. This is designed to ensure promotions comply with its rules, so as well as those imposed in the advertising standard authority. So for now, a ban on crypto advertising is capital is not in place. However, TFL is now seeking additional guidance from the Advertising Standards Committee. Floki Inu continues to insist that its ad will all die. So guys, thanks for watching this about keys. I hope this is informative. I'll be dropping the link in the description box below, guys. Really do all goes well. One love, peace out, stay tuned, and then see you in our future uploads.